Namaskar, I'm Vitalitas, welcoming you to Hambatari. A workshop titled Wonders of Our Nature 2.0 was held in Tejpur. The research person was Professor Surabur Kutuki. Today, on October 29th, our workshop titled Wonders of Our Nature 2.0 took place in the Gurujananda Chaudhary University in Sonitpur district. The workshop focused on venom, antivenom, and wildlife rescue, medical challenges and solutions. Professor Surabur Kutuki, a snake expert, delivered an engaging lecture at this event organized by the School of Pharmaceutical Science, GCU, Tejpur campus. He described the venomous snakes of Assam, supported by photographs. He elaborated on the panic caused by Russell viper in Sonitpur district and its eradication. Burkutuki also addressed misconception and superstition surrounding snakes. He mentioned the various medicines, including those for cancer, are derived from snake venom. Overall, he provided evidence that humanity would be unsafe in a world without snakes. At the beginning of the event, the college principal, Abdul Baki Ahmed, lighted a lamp and delivered a welcome speech. A nature documentary directed by Sanjay Burwa, president of the environmental organization Save Society, was also showcased. The documentary highlights various aspects of wildlife rescue efforts in Assam. It features different rescue missions conducted by Surabur Kutuki.
This team continues to gather new information. The details shared today are just a small glimpse of Burkutuki's extensive work.
Notable attendees included Majinur Rahman, secretary of the Prakritri Group, Sarpabandhu Babdhan Das, and various organizers such as Poonam Jyoti Das, Dr. Himanka Hajarika, Alukesh Keoth, Dr. Supriya Sahu, Namrata Kaushik, Navajyoti Kalita, and Farah Kali. Check out our special report from Vitalitas of Tejpur, Hambatari.
চিকিৎসা কৰিব পাৰে অপৰমৰ ট্ৰিটমেন্ট আছে গতিকে এটা ভাল মেছেজ আৰু এটা পেপাৰ তাৰিখ লেখাইছো আপোনালোকক